Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is like another devlog of Unity Fundamentals 1. This time it's like about placement phase 2. Okay, so like we learned stuff about like GitHub profiles and how the the readme about the readme files, how it should be, like not exactly how it should be, but it like we learned that it's important to to explain a project to the recruiters and stuff. So that's the thing. Then when should we write emails and how should we reply, when should we reply, those kind of stuff. And then practice some email writing, like how should we write the email. So and after that there was some tricky questions about interview, like uh, question about like the CTC, what expectations, CTC expectations, and then how should we react to it and stuff like that. So uh, that's it for the placement phase 2, and that I guess the yes mock round is the meaning for me for Unity fundamentals, but I'm done with that. Thank you.